Anna with Laser Cut Quilts. I'm going to show you a few of my favorite products that I use when I am doing applique. And those are Caterpillar products. This is the light table. Let me show it without. Here's the light table. This has 3 settings so that you can set it where you want. I use the brightest. This is the biggest one they make. I use this one because we're using this a lot in our company, and so the big one helps a lot. They also just came out with one we love that you can actually charge. This is it, and this one you can actually charge. It's a little smaller and it does fit one piece of the glass. So you can get online and check out all their products that they offer. Here's my other great thing. They have something called tempered glass. Tempered glass means I can iron right on this. You don't want to ever use your light box and iron on it. You have to have tempered glass. Another one of my favorite products are the magnet disc, and this is them. And they have an adhesive on it if you want to stick them down permanently. I don't stick them down because I want to be able to move them around underneath my box where my fabric is. The next thing I like is the magnets that go with it. And these come in a set of 6. These come in a set of 2. I have 2 sets of these and 1 set of the magnets. Let me show you what the magnets do. I can actually put my pattern down and my fabric down, and that will hold into place with that magnet. So I can use that to hold my fabric and my paper in place while I'm ironing down my pieces. So those are my favorite. Caterpillar, I love it. Can't imagine doing it without this. They have great products. They have a lot of other products. Check out their website. I think you'll find some pretty cool things.